making some kettle fried chicken on the Weber Kettle using the Vortex. We're going to use this Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour that purchased at Walmart. I'm going to just toss this chicken thighs and these chicken drums around in this powder. Try to get it as coated as you can. That stuff's gonna sit on there and dry that skin out so it gets nice and crispy on the grill. Now we're gonna spray a little duck fat on each side of this. Duck fat's what I prefer over olive oil, but duck fat alone will crisp the skin up on some chicken. That's gonna let us stick some more of that seasoning to it. Make sure we get a double coat. You can't have too much seasoning on this kettle fried chicken. So this seasoning doesn't have as much flavor as I would like, so I'm going to add a little honey hog barbecue rub by Meat Church. That's going to give it a nice color when it's done too. Now this grill's ready to go with this Vortex in here. It's probably been heating up for about 35 minutes. The temperature gauge on the lid of this 22-inch Weber Kettle is maxed out at 600. So I imagine it's pretty hot in there. We're going to place these drums down with the bone end towards the center. And then we're going to throw the chicken thighs around there and just fill it all the way in. That's about all you gotta do with this Vortex. It's the best chicken cooker I have. So it's been about 40 minutes. I did flip them halfway through. Check the temperature on these. Oh yeah, these are 190. This dark meat chicken you can cook up to 200. But 190 is going to give it a nice crisp skin, which is what I'm looking for in kettle cooked chicken. A couple of them that have a little bit of moisture on them, we're going to throw those in the center of this Vortex and dry them out some more. But man, this thing is hot. It'll burn the hair off your arm if you're not careful. And that's it. We are taking these inside. Let them rest. So that was my first time cooking this kettle chicken on the grill. And honestly, I don't know if I care for it too much. It was crispy, but not enough flavor. Might have to switch it up. Be sure to like and subscribe.